Welcome to my slime part 2. So like I said in part 1, I put water in there, so now I'm just going to start again with the blue one. And it still has a little bit of water, it sucked it all up. So now, see, oh my god, it's so soft and oh my god. This one is so jiggly. I love it so much. And I like my slime to be so jiggly and slimy and so now I'm just going to see the other ones. So that's number uno. Now let's see number dos. So this is the dark blue. This one I think it has no. Sure it's, there's no that. Oh, the water's blue, guys. So like when I made this slime, I just put hold on one slime just oh my god. Like so when I made this slime, I didn't put food coloring in it. I put like not slime. Oh my god, what am I put it paint. Comment down below if you have made slime and put it paint on there and like that. And I was like, oh my god. So you guys, so right now I'm just going to put it in here. It's not that slimy, so maybe I can oh wait, it is a little bit. More, I'm just going to like so you guys, this one I think I'm just gonna re-put it into the water because it didn't suck nothing up and it's not that. I know, so I'm just gonna put it back in the sun. I see it falling. So now let's see the other bluish. So now I'm gonna use the stick because I don't want to get slimy at all. So I can see this one is very heavy and it sucked all the water. It sucks seemed like so weird. Like I feel like sucks. The other suck. You get it, guys? Like, oh my god. So this one it worked. I like it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So, like this one, this is the A plus. Like you say in middle school because I'm not in middle school, so I have to learn A plus means good. F minus means fail, completely fail. F plus that means I don't know what that fuck means. If you guys haven't seen if you guys haven't seen like a video, it's rap battle, you should go. You should write in YouTube. Excuse me freestyle, and you'll see coming up. And just click any video, and it says, "Excuse me, my name is something." It rhymes with something. It's just a rap. Okay, so the two worked right now. One kind of failing on me. Please don't fail. Okay, so now let's go with the clear one, my favorite one. I'm so happy for this one. Why am I so excited? I'm so excited for this one. I just can't. Didn't like it sucked some up. Oh my god, it's so slimy, you guys. Oh my god, this is so cool. It's like into clear bluish color now. Can you guys see it? Oh my god, it's so cool. So right now I'm just gonna put it right back. Still didn't. It still has a bit of water, but it worked. It's a A plus. 3 A pluses and 1 fail. Let's see the next one. So the next one is a blue color, purplish bluish color with purple or pink sparkles and silver sparkles. And this one sucked all the water up. Sorry, I keep saying suck. I feel so weird saying suck. Why am I keep saying it? I'm so sorry, you guys. Tell me in the comments down below if you feel weird saying the S word, not that other S word, the S word that I'm using. Don't you feel weird like saying you suck or like I suck? I'm just kidding. Please don't say that. This one worked. It's an A plus. Again, it's very slimy. Oh my god, it's so savvy and savage. Did I just say so heavy? It's so savage that like, oh my god, I love being savage. Like I even have a red shirt that it says savage. Okay, now let's go back to that fail one. Fail plus, please. Yeah. Very slimy right now. Didn't this is to suck some up right now? It did suck some up. It did. Oh my god. It actually sucked up some. It pulled some of the water up. That's what I'm gonna say now. Pulled all the water up. Oh my god. Look, you guys. So, oh my god, it's so sticky. And it's so amazing, cool, savage. I don't know how to explain it, guys. But, Daniel, if you're seeing this video, so if comments down below if you want a slime, because I have like 5 slimes and I don't like having too much slime. So Daniel, comments down below if you want a slime, and maybe I'll bring it tomorrow to you. So going a lot, nigga. Move up the way, please don't be a hero. Pow, boom, stabbers, nigga. So I'm just gonna keep it in water because I don't want it to dry up. So right now I'm doing boom, 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 boom. For right now, so like we're gonna leave it all of them on this in the sun. This one too. Bags. I'm just gonna put it here, and then right now my whole thing is wet. So right. Oh my god. Can you see me anyways? Like, I'm white right here, I'm white right here, and I'm brown right here. Can't you see that? I'm just gonna do right here. Okay. So, like, yes, this is part of me. This is white. This is my makeup. So, yeah, I am going to how to say it? I'm going to end the vlog here because right now I'm in a hurry because the quinceañera. So I think I am getting ready. I'm gonna practice. I'm gonna clean up this area because you don't want it's happening here. So it's everyday cuties. Jennifer lovers. Love ya. Mwah. Daniel, please comment down below if you want to slime. Love ya. Bye, guys.